Hi, this is Ramji. So actually I got placed in Dexcel Designs company and I didn't graduate in Mahindra Engineering College, so agriculture engineering. From agriculture engineering to embedded field, it's so complicated to enter into this field actually. A lot of struggle is facing, I have to face it here. After that, finally I got placed. About this institute, it's awesome. I studied in Tamil Nadu only. In Tamil Nadu, I have not seen this much of difficulty to studies and all practically. But here institute was so good. So mentors also they help you around any times morning or evening, or if you call and ask to them also they will ask. They will help you. It's one of the best institute I ever see. Finally got placed. So and then they conducting a mock interview also, and then they used to do assignments and then tests, model tests and everything is there here. If you after entering into this course, everything comes under assignment, everything will be practical only. Everything they used to teach us practical thing. We have to learn a lot of things because every company, if you want to enter into this, every tests and all mock interview, everything they will conduct it perfectly one by one, and after that we are also easily taking to the drive. Thank you.